This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping the phone and charger. Remove any thick or metal cases, then place the Nothing Phone 3A Pro flat on the pad so its coil aligns with the charger center. You want stable contact. Once done, plug the pad into a reliable wall adapter and watch for the pad's LED or vibration on your phone. Make sure wireless charging is enabled in Settings Battery. This lets the device accept power and prevents intermittent drops while charging. You now focus on fine positioning and power management. Gently nudge the phone until the charging indicator appears. Small shifts matter because coils must align. Disable battery saver and similar modes. They can limit wireless current. If the charger supports fast wireless charging, make sure your phone is allowed to accept higher wattage in battery settings. Also clear the area of metal and other wireless devices. Interference causes slow or stalled charging and wastes time. You finish by verifying the process and handling common faults. After a few minutes, check that the battery percent increases. If it does, leave the phone to complete a cycle uninterrupted for better calibration. If charging is slow, shift the phone slightly or try a different USB adapter and cable, because insufficient adapter output is often the cause. If there's still no charge, reboot the phone and retry. That single troubleshooting step resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.